Hey everyone, and welcome to the next mini course in our tax lien certificate investing series. In this one, we're going to talk about visiting the properties prior to the actual tax lien sale. Now, ideally, you're going to do this in person, but if you're investing outside of your backyard, or if for some reason you're insanely busy and you can't make it out to visit these properties, we'll talk about how to use third parties, how to train them, and make sure you can get all the information you need. Um, my name is Michael Decker. Hopefully, you've been hearing me on the previous courses in this series. I'm a contributor to myopenpath.com, and everything that I'm going to be sharing with you is based off of practical experience, both between myself and some of my investor friends and colleagues. So these are tried and true methods. It's not just theory. It's not just, well, I think, I suppose it might work this way. This is actual, successful strategies that we've used. So, in this course about visiting the properties before the tax sale, we're going to go over a little bit of familiar ground and definitely some new stuff. In fact, we're going to be you're going to probably want to bust out your calculator a little bit on, because we're going to talk about when you're trying to evaluate deals before you invest in them, how to calculate your ROI, your return on investment. It's some simple math, but it's some very important math you'll definitely want to pay attention to. So here's how this course is going to go down. First, we're going to talk about finding the physical location of the properties. It's not too hard most of the time, generally most of the time, but there can be a little trick to it, and as far as creating a map to be more efficient with your time, that's what we're going to talk about. And then that's step two. Step three is finding someone to visit the property for you in case you can't do it personally. Step four is about when you should eliminate certain types of properties, in this case shabby and unkempt, and in other cases when you should eliminate the nice properties. Okay, so looking at these in these modules, you're going to get a nice overview of preparing for the actual tax lien sale. We've already gone through whittling down and filtering your list. Now, based off of those properties, you're going to want to take another step forward to educate yourself. Remember, investing is not gambling. That's the difference. Gambling is chance. Investing is you're making a decision based off of knowledge, based off of, your best judgment, and based off of the circumstances of each deal. So use all of these tools that we're going to share and use these strategies in your favor to make sure that, your investments go better. So find the physical location, make a map. If you can't go personally, get a third party to go out for you, and then decide which properties you need to eliminate based off of your personal strategy. We mentioned this a little bit before, but we'll go a little bit more in depth here. So stay with us. This is going to be an awesome course, incredibly helpful, very, very practical stuff that you'll be able to use right away for your tax lien certificate investing. All right, we'll see you in the next video.
If you would like to watch the entire course on tax lien certificate investing, go ahead, click on the link below, right here in the description, and go to myopenpath.com. Once there, you can either set up an account to be able to watch the entire tax lien investing course, or you can set up a free demo account to kind of test drive this site and at least watch the next module in this course. Myopenpath.com is the world's largest training library. We talk about real estate investing, online business building, and financial education. We have over 1,000 hours of content teaching you how to build income streams from home. So come on over to myopenpath.com and click on the link. It's right there. Go ahead, just click on it.